Hi, thanks for stopping by. You can see I got a couple browser windows open. This one on the left here is an upcoming landing page for the NFL 24-25 games. They're all loaded, particular to the divisions here. This is a custom landing page we built. It only took a few hours. But itself is showing you the data manipulation of the S3 buckets on AWS using a Vue.js app we built. And if you look, you can see the games changing around here on the display mechanism. So if I clear all the Panther games here, and I go back up to the top, this is all the games for the data set. But let me go back to, say, Miami Dolphins, and I scroll down. You can kind of see here we're in week 5. It is October 6th, as indicated here. It's Sunday, October 6th here. And it's Denver time as I show you how this thing works. Now, I have another landing page here built, and you can kind of see it's built with the same technology. That technology is here on slide number 31. I'll give you a quick overview how it's built. We injected all the NFL game schedule information off a single calendar called football schedules at outlook.com. That data was injected to an S3 bucket. The S3 bucket came from an SES, a simple email service inbox, and that data is processed on our system magically for you. There's nothing for you to do. And in the display of the CalendarSnack engine, we show an upcoming landing page in which you can use. It's actually auto-generated using our tech stack. The importance of our tech stack, though, is it auto-generates upcoming landing pages, plus it allows you to send big bulk runs for calendar invites on AWS SES with pinpoint mail marketing. So that said, all that tech out of the way, when we send a calendar invite off a landing page here in this particular demo, it sends out a calendar invite here, and then in number 4, we tally all the information in the back. And then you have the ability as a marketer to actually gain access to the detailed data off these calendar clients on who went to your landing page and actually asked for a calendar invite and what the status is here. Now this is a magical circle in that in step number 1, if any of the data is changed off the particular organizer calendar to the SES inbox, it auto changes all this data set across not only the application level, also the landing pages, and then anything downstream in the calendar client. So without further ado, let me get to the real demo. And you see that I have a couple landing pages up and running. I'm going to use the custom one. You can see here it's October 6th. That is the date today. I'm going to say, let me get the calendar invite. And you're going to see that it's going to be sent to this particular gentleman here, Greg Hanshin at 31events.com. You can see it just came in. And I'm going to say yes to the event itself. Now that data is collected back here in our engine. And that engine can be seen at a CalendarSnack login, which I'm going to show you real quick as I fumble through this. I apologize. And as I log in, you'll see that the render engine itself puts up me here in the login state of football schedules at outlook.com. I'll go to my dashboard. And you'll see here in upcoming events, there's 194. And on the back end system, as I'm doing my demo here on the 6th, there are 12 games for today on Football Sunday. I'm looking for the Dolphins. So if I can't see it there in the picker real quick, I'm just going to type in M for Miami, MI. You can see in our search head, it's right there. And as I drill out or drill in, you can see that data here. In that we're gathering the organizer content. That's the end of this demo. I appreciate you stopping by and checking us out.